What's up, Speak My Mind people? Happy Sunday. Well, as you see, just as I say, we can show you, we just be with self. Today is Sunday. I'm show you when I cook for me dinner today, Sunday. See there? Some chicken gizzard and chicken neck brown stew. You understand? Eat what we grow. In past video, you see I show you my chickens. Yeah, this is from what I grow. Chicken. You understand? And today, we just decide say, them in the fridge. I just use them up. This is what I feel for. So this is what I'm going to cook. Marinated from yesterday. So Speak My Mind people. We can come show no fish. We can come show no shrimp, oxtail, curry, goat, pork. We're not afraid for show no anything. We be with self. So today, we're going to do some brown stew, chicken kidney, and neck. So stay tuned. Well, my people, you can know chicken neck and gizzard in a pot. Many people that show this one bag of browning. So you see, to be the natural way. Not saying we won't tip a little browning nice, but you see, look where the spoon is pointing. See, we make it take its own color in the pot. Yeah, take its own color in the pot first. Then when we are going to cook it down now to get it tenderized, so this is just oil in it. No water in my pot is straight oil, so it's like that steam fry it, so it takes its own color. So when you put the water in the pot now and thing, we might keep a little browning, but people dose the meat with browning, so it's brown quick. We do it the authentic way. So just stay tuned for the product, you know? Speak My Mind people. I don't know what I say. So I'll continue to go into the cook vlog then. It's not just all about one thing over here. Entertainment, straight cook vlog, commentary, drama, everything you can think of. So, what they are going to do, you know, continue to like, share and subscribe if you have not subscribed to the channel as yet. And honestly, I love what I'm going. You understand? So something will be over here for everybody. And people where love the liquor wagwan, but still want to support the cook vlog them. Please and thanks. Show the love for the channel. Don't just show it for the little sort of wagwan. Show the full love for the channel. You understand? So stay tuned with me. Yes, my people. When I tell you so gully side my live pan. So you see why I have to into the anti-Dana saga. See it, my people. Gully side my live pan. See it there? Gully side. Just like Dana. See my house there. Yeah. My place there. See all my fall coop, my big old fall coop there. I go show on it right now. Just put back some chicken in it because to the time it's so hot. You know? Last the chicken them will lose a few tight because I eat strokes, you know? Yeah man, gully side. See it there? So this is the reason why you know me have to be behind Dana 100%. Yeah my people, see it there? Most of the coop empty and now we do some refurbishing on that side, yeah. You know? Yeah. Yeah man, see it there? Most of the coop empty now as me I say. Young chickens, show you the new young chickens them, you know? See them my people. Young ones, you know? Fresh set, them are supposed to be ready for the Christmas. So we eat what we grow at times. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, you know? Young ones, you know? Young chicks. Eat what we grow. So that's what I'm doing now. Some chicken neck and gizzard for my Sunday dinner. We don't want to show oxtail and fish and shrimp and lobster. Yeah. When we eat big we show it, but when we eat small afraid for show it. I get how we say. For life, gully side, yeah. Yeah. So all I want to look bad mind People, if I even want full couple living, I will proud of that, our own. We not pay rent. See there? Camera system, just like the rich guys. Camera system, yeah. Just like anybody who have their money, you can pour and live good too. See that? Yeah. Can pour and live good. So no that far enough for you and all about. See there? Food tree. One of the best breadfruit tree there. Mango tree around there, so yeah. You know? Ghetto life. Good life. So all I want to know they're all about I criticize ghetto tune they might live some because so hard not pay rent. I have to work for pay rent. Yeah man. These are my babies. Yeah, my babies. Eat what you grow. That's in my pot right now. Up. Bear? People, this is bear. Yeah, this is bear. Dangerous. So trim small. Nobody try to show no body weight pound. No. Just wait till I just turn your back and them clip for your heel. Yeah. People, so as me I say, you know? Yeah. Back to the kitchen. So what go on in a pot here, you know? Yeah, tenderized meat you know. Cause people, the gizzard, something kind of solid, you know. So you have to make sure it tenderized properly. So stay tuned. Season up time. I put on some rice here now. Yeah. Yes, my people. Real old Alberta, you know? Not Falberta, Alberta. Cause you have to watch the spelling, you know. They say you get the Chinese one, Falberta. Well, this is Alberta. So, yeah, I wash some rice here now. Yeah, man. Speak my mind entertainment. Continue to like, share, and subscribe. Please, my people. When I want to bypass them little vlog here, you know, support the channel. Don't just support the saga. Go on, support the channel. Please and thank us. So we want to build the channel where, you know, the supporter, we don't want no fans, we want supporters. So you support everything the channel have to offer. You understand? We know you might not like everything, but I saw it go. Just support the channel. We are build the channel as a supporter channel, not a fans channel where you just, you know, because you know supporter go all the way with you. Speak my mind, family. One nation, we say. I don't know where me say one nation, what that mean. Well, people, yeah, you know, simmer down time, you know. Wow, what steam, man. Yeah. Rice has finished steam. Yeah. Pot season up there now, my people. So you will see the finished product and when me I brush a little light, you know. Chicken neck and gizzard. Eat what you grow. Can show the steak and we can show the ox tail and we can show the mutton and the pork and the shrimp and the lobster and the fish. We can show this too. Cause we no big on nothing, we'll be with self, as me say. When you see we just be with self. We not pretty up nothing. Yeah, if we eat chicken neck we can eat oxtail too. Some of you eat oxtail and fish and shrimp on the show it, but not eat one tin mackerel, you not show it, or not eat one piece of liver or kidney, you not show it. Speak my mind, people. Well, as I say, I just cook for myself today, my people, because the kids them granny and cook for them, you know. So that's why they pack them little bit, so two two sharing in a this. One now and one for the nightcap. My grandfather said me bambai. Yeah. So speak my mind, people. Just stay tuned for the action. Because you have the action I come to, you know? Yeah. Yes, my people, rice pot lock off, you know. You know? So, yeah. Yeah, man. Good old chicken neck. So, I go on, my people. Yeah. Gizzard. Eat what you grow. Yeah, so I make the gravy simmer down here now. So, next time you see it, food share out. You know? Yeah. And food ready for eat. Speak my mind entertainment. Fry two plantain in a butcher. Kinda get lazy. Yeah, another mood there. So you don't know me just go beat the chicken neck and the gizzard and white rice by itself. And when I go switch for me, I go sit down and do it, you know, because we say we be with self. We don't talk about we are going on a dining table whether we have it or not. You understand? We just be with self, we don't put on nothing. We don't pretty up nothing for suit nobody. We suit with self. So if we feel like going to the bathroom, we go in there. If we feel like eat out a road on the sidewalk, we get in our yard anyway. We just eat. Yes, my people, see it there? Steam a flow. I just cup the rice and the rice too much rice, it just a breakaway, see it? Live on camera, it a breakaway, my people. Speak my mind, people. Chicken neck and gizzard and white rice in the sun there. We can show oxtail, we can show pork, we can show mutton, shrimp, lobster. We must can show this all if a tin mackerel. We be with self. Yeah, speak my mind, family. You see it? Pan camera rice a breakaway. Show rice shelly. Stay tuned. Go and taste it, you know, in the middle of the yard me I go. So now just watch out for it. Yeah, my people. Yeah, man. Yeah, you know, real ghetto style. We not pretty up nothing. Yeah, man. Yeah. We don't want no fox. Who wants to say we greedy, so we greedy. Yeah, man. No? Anybody who wants to say we greedy, so we greedy. So I give that my people. But they say, man. Yeah, come. Yeah, the animal eat, you know? And bear are eating up, people. Chichi! Chichi! Belly can't full, no, my people. I tell you, I don't know so a little bit. Belly can't full. Not care you feed him. Belly can't full. Brown people. You know? Chicken neck. Yeah, man. I neck this, my people. Why people come like I neck the one I seasoning go. Jeez. How much you try and neck the feed and pass through for going in belly. The neck is sweet. Hey, my people. Then time when I come here, I'm ready to go up on like a river vlog. I'm not afraid to call me, man. I really support them. I'm start mark down more sound, you know. Yeah. Because we don't want no fan, you know. Because we not hot. We're not hot. We're going to AC or something. We don't want no fan. We want supporter. We are going to support everything on the channel. We might not agree with everything, but yeah, we not support. We don't want to come on the channel, come watch. When it depends on a mix-up saga or whatsoever we want to call it. We want to support everything because remember, Speak My Mind Entertainment. We give a little of everything. Drama, social commentary, public commentary, cook vlog, anything you can think of. You understand? So, supporter we say, we don't want a fan. You understand? Because we're not hot and we are fan already. We want supporters. So Speak My Mind people, remember, you know, our one nation we say, you know. So if I say one nation, you know what that means. You have your own channel, you have your own platform, and you say Planka Nation, you know, a one nation. Whether you have your platform, once you say Planka Nation, the whole of we are one nation. So when you say one nation, that means all real plankers. So Speak My Mind people, I'm out, you know, because I want to eat my food. I don't want to sit down and watch me right you I eat my food. I want the mouth to run water. Most of them probably even eat this for the longest a while. Plus some of them might never even eat this yet. Chicken gizzard and neck. What bad so? Poor people something. When we're rich, we still have to eat this. When I say, when we get rich, we now have to get them type of food here. Butter dumpling, butter rice, hockey mixed with chicken back, hockey mixed with mackerel. What you talk about, man? Breadfruit I pick off a tree and roast with all that tin mackerel. Oh, long time I say, like, share and subscribe to the channel. And remember, please watch the ads. I'm out. Chee-chee. Chee-chee.